Cold start. Sorry guys, I'm feeling very sick. Oh. There you go. Welcome back to another video, guys. We are on day 19 and I'm gonna keep it 1,000 with you guys. I ain't feeling good at all. It's been like sick these past couple of days. I've been feeling very iffy, very I got a runny nose, I've been coughing a lot, I got a lot of mucus, and I just ain't feeling too good at all right now. So I'm sorry if this vlog ends up being short or not too long or just all over the place. I'm just like feeling very sick and I've tried to get myself together right now. We shall be fine. But I appreciate y'all for showing love on all the videos so far. Thank you. It means the world. Truly, truly appreciate it. But right now, as you guys know, I'm on my way to work. And yeah, I don't know how I'm going to work like this, bro. That shit sucks, but we doing it. What's up, guys? Oh, you guys know I already started the vlog house. I'm still a little sick. I'm still pretty sick, actually.
Oh, sorry, I'm just over here trying to play music while you're vlogging.
Yeah, I'm off of work. I got off work early, actually. But I was just home chilling for a couple of hours. Didn't even feel like vlogging once I got off. I'm in my dad's new truck, as you guys can see. I'm in the new Toyota Tacoma. First drive, actually. So this is my first drive. And not gonna lie, so far, I like the seating position. I like the way the steering wheel feels. I feel like I'm in a big truck, which is not that big of a truck, if you know what I mean. I almost feel like I'm in the GMC. And it's kind of a smaller truck than the GMC, but it feels nice. Big old TV screen, as you guys can see. My dad had it for, when did he get this? Yes.
Oh no, 2 days ago actually.
2 days ago?
Yeah.
Okay, 2 days ago. And he had a full tank, and right now he's only lost like a quarter, which is not bad for the way he drives it and goes to work. It's a pool truck at the end of the day, so he's like using it for every day, a daily and a work truck. It's got the digital dash. You know what I'm saying? Give you guys a little POV. Am I going the right way?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, right now we're headed to our eyebrow appointment, so that's why I'm like test driving it. How's even turbo? I don't know if you know that. Look, listen. Yeah. Look, it's turbo. Damn. Imagine if I had like an intake and everything. 13.9 miles per gallon. Damn. I get more with my Supra. I get like 16.9 miles per gallon. This guy has a heavy foot probably. I'm in normal. Oh, it was in sport mode already, I think. That's a sport mode. I was just checking out the audio in here because it has a JBL sound system. And not gonna lie, this thing bumps, bro. It bumps. Look, I'm gonna give you a quick teaser because you know how copyright works. Alright, so I want to try some. Let's put this B in sport and let's use this shifter. I want to see something. I need my boot to record me because this requires 2 hands. Don't break this thing in right now. We're gonna break it in. We're gonna do a real proper shakedown. It has a boost skis. Look, lets you know how much PSI. Turbo, the turb skis. This thing is okay. Not bad. It's not bad. It's okay. So I'm still feeling iffy, guys, but my car is dirty and it needs a wash, and I don't want to do it tomorrow, so I'm gonna get it over with and do it right now. I know I don't feel my best, but I don't also want to just be at home laying down not doing anything, so I'm gonna just go wash my car. It's pretty late right now, and and I don't think this video is gonna get posted on the 19th. It might get posted on the 20th. Yeah, bro, I just wasn't feeling the best yesterday, and then especially today, this morning, I was not feeling great. I had to leave work early. One of my DMs came in today, and he even said, like, yeah, you don't look too well, you gotta go home. So yeah, that's kind of what happened, but you guys can hear it and see. But right now I want to go get the car washed. It is dirty, bro. I haven't washed it since I put on the Christmas lights, and that was like a week ago. The car hasn't been washed in like a week and a half already, almost going on 2 weeks. Yeah, it desperately needs one. I'm gonna go do that right now, get it nice and right, and hopefully it'll last us till Saturday, because Saturday there might be a meet and we might go to that.
Did I forget to mention, guys? I need gas too. Damn. So we get a car wash, add some gas. That's what we need. You guys know where we're at. My favorite alley. At least this will make me feel a little better. Man, the B58 just sounds so good, man. You can't hate on the B58. It just sounds so good, bro. Bro, even some crazy shit happened to me last night when I was sleeping. I was sleeping, bro, and like at 2:30 in the morning, like I felt something running down my nose, and I go like this, thinking it's like boogers or something, bro. And like for whatever reason, I wake up, like I'm like still seeing blurry, but I wake up and I look at my hand, and I noticed it was blood, and I was like, oh shit, I'm bleeding. I get up and I just start pouring blood out my nose, and I don't bleed from my nose easily, bro. So that was very random. Like I don't bleed from my nose like at all, rarely. And if I get hit with a ball or something, like it's rare for me to bleed, like it's weird. But I was bleeding like crazy. I was gushing blood. I was like, oh shit. That had me like, what the hell, bro? That was trippy. For whatever reason, it just started bleeding, bro, like in mid-sleep. That's crazy. That is crazy, bro. Mid-sleep, I'm over here dripping blood. I was like, oh hell no, I think I'm dying. Alright, we finally got the spot. So yeah, bro, look at my wheels. Yeah, my wheels are filthy, bro. This shit needs to wash ASAP. It's dusty. Like I said, bro, I haven't washed it since I put the Christmas lights on. It is dusty everywhere. It really needs to wash. Bird poop all over the damn place. My front wheels are dirty. Yeah, bro. Needs a massive wash. You guys can't tell, bro. Look at this. Oh, hell no. Oh, my God. See what I mean, bro? Dusty. Dusty, bro. Dusty. Let's get it started. You guys know how this goes. Left the lights on too this time. The good thing is that this car is ceramic coated. That's what I love. Shout out to my boy Fast Auto guys detailing. Look at this. Oh my God, just look at this, guys. Ew, look at this, bro. It's all dirty. Oh my God, bro. And I want to paint my wheels all white. Damn. All right, time for the soap to get it covered up. Damn, that C8 was loud. I seen the Aventador pass by too, bro. I didn't get to get it on camera though. It was the yellow one. It is nice and covered, you feel me? Now we look at that. All soaked up. Boo, you know what I'm saying? Get the wheels all nice and clean too. Damn. And then we got the best blow dryer, bro. Look at this. Woo, that's ceramic though, bro. Now we gotta vacuum because the inside is dirty, bro. Especially my rear over here. I got so much trash and clothes. Got a vacuum back here. Alright, y'all, so the booper is looking good now. Wheels is all clean. Hell yeah. Damn, bro, she looks real good when she's cleaned up. But when she dusty and all that, y'all can't really tell. But when you see it up in person, this shit is dirty. But right now it is glistening and looking good. I don't have any tire shine, so we're just gonna do it like that. But wheels are looking good, bro. Got the interior looking nice and right. Yes, sir. Y'all know what it is. And I'm thinking about putting the blue seat, the other one, back on. I might just do that so it looks good, matching, you know what I'm saying? We might do that probably in the next video or in this video. We'll see what's up. And yeah, but carbon is glistening. Y'all can see it. Man, she looks good when she's cleaned up. Now I'm gonna try to buy some air fresheners so the inside can smell A1. Last time I tried to buy some, it didn't work, so hopefully this time it works. Hell yeah, this time it works. So we got 2 black ice. If you know, you know. These smell gas, bro. That's why I like going with these. Almost smells like cologne, but everyone likes to call these fuck boys. But hey, bro, I just like them because they smell good. It smells like cologne, bro. Can't go wrong with it. All right, you know what we're here for. I need some gas, and you guys know how this works. Half gas, half E85. And we are about like 33% low, so I need to fill up 428 gallons of gas and 489 gallons of E85. That's how I usually calculate it. On the Beamer app, it usually gives you the percentage. Toyota app sucks, so kind of have to guesstimate until I get a flex fuel kit. Then it'll actually let me know, but yeah, I don't got that. All right, first we do gas, then we do the E85. Supra is looking good under these lights. Sheesh, look how she's glistening. Oh, damn. She look good, bro. She look good. I ain't gonna cap to y'all. Look at the wheels when they're clean. Damn, they're busting. Oh my god, I need to wipe this down. It's all wet. No. We got the E85 in now. Let's see how much. Let's see if I got it right. We're supposed to fill up like 4.3 or something like that. Let's see if I got it right. We passed it. Damn.
What are you waiting for?
5.1. Let's see what I was supposed to put. 4.89. Not too bad. It's okay. Let's clean this up. This in. Cover this up and let's get going. Out of here. She got squirrely. Damn. Damn, she feel healthy. I need to do an oil change soon. Oh, we got a tunnel. You guys know what that means. Oh my god! That thing went swirly on me again. Woo. I like this mode because I have it on sport individual, so I have it set on what I want. So I have it set to the steering sport, transmission sport plus, and the engine like is on normal. If I put it on sport, then it starts popping. If I put it sport plus, it starts popping again. I didn't go back to House of Power because when I go back into the MHD app, the files for my tune aren't there. So I need to go back to the shop and see if they can get me the files back, because I had a flame tune file and a non-flame tune file. Sometimes I want to change it back to the no flame tune. Yeah, I need those files. Without those files, I can't do that. But I know I say I sometimes get bored of the Supra. I'm not like bored of the Supra, I'm just bored of the way the Supra looks. You know, like I feel like I gotta change it up so I can just like love it all over again, you know? Like a wrap. I definitely want to wrap it soon. I think just a wrap, bro, I have this wrap in mind for so long that I think it'll just look so sick, and I just need to execute. But I also need money, you feel me? I think this is what the car needs. I think it needs a change, you know? Like a good, nice wrap. Hopefully I could get a wing soon. I'm debating if I want to get the new Agile facelift or just get a new lip. I'm not sure though. If I do the facelift, I know I'm gonna want to do the whole kit, like the side skirts and the fenders. But that shit be expensive, man. Be damn expensive.